Good afternoon, Broncos. It's me, Mr. Goodlow here with that tutorial on how to use Synergy online course request. Pretty simple process, new this year for Park Rose. In the past, you guys are used to filling out course requests with pencil and paper, but with the technologies and the iPads that you guys have, we streamlined it and let you use your iPads to do the online course requests. Real simple process. So step one is to log on to the website by using Safari. You cannot use the app. It does not work. So please click on Safari, type in Park Rose High School, go to the home page. Then you'll see your beautiful admin on the cover page. And on the left-hand side, you want to blow it up and click on Student. Then from here, you want to go down where it says Synergy StudentVue. And then this is where you're going to log on to your StudentVue account and begin the process of online requests for classes. So you want to log in with your username here and your password, and then click login. If you do not know your username or password and you're working off your iPad, you can copy and paste from the app and bring it over and just paste it in, and it will work. If you need your username and password, please see your counselor, Ms. Thomas, or your admins. And I'm just gonna type it in, and from there it should take you to a page. It looks like this. So this is what the Synergy StudentVue is going to look like. And over here on the left hand tab, we got a bunch of options. The one we want to choose is the course request. So here you got a message about online course requests with the dates, when the begin date, the end date. You also want to make sure your total classes add up to 7 credits. And if you're registering for an AP course, you got to make sure you get your AP commitment form signed and turned in. A new feature also is once you make your selections, you will have to find either a counselor or admin staff to give you the password to lock your courses in. And at that time, you will present your advanced course form and your AP commitment form. You see that some classes already registered for you. So we took all your core courses are pre-registered. So you will see your language arts, social studies classes, and also any health PE classes that are required for graduation are also installed there. And you can see that those classes are locked in and cannot be changed. The only way they will be changed is if you apply for an AP course, and the counselors will change that when it's time to register for the classes. Also below is a graduation status summary. You can see how many courses and credits you completed in this column here, and how many courses are required, and how many courses you're in progress, and the courses remaining. So this will give you a good sense of where you're at for graduation. So to begin the process, you want to come up here to click here to change course request. Then you have the classes you're locked in. You can see your total credits right there. And to select the course, you want to go down to departments. And you will come up with all the departments that we offer here at Park Rose. So all your elective classes are under electives, all the math courses under math, science, and language arts. So let's start with elective courses. So you want to click on electives, then click over here, search course, and down below, all the required courses are in there. So you want to make sure that when you're selecting a course to request, you hit the radio tab that says request. If you want to select the course as alternative course, so just in case you don't get into your first choice, you want to select the alternative tab. Notice too, there's 2 AP history classes here, so it's a full year course, so you have to sign up for both. If the course number ends in 9, there's only going to be one one request button that you need to hit. So if I want to request Avid 11, I will go down here. Notice that there's two classes. Want to hit request for one, request for the other, and that will get you in there for the full year. And then back up here to click here to move selected course up to selected course requests. And now those courses appear in my course requests. And you can see also that the total number of credits have changed from 2.5 to 3.5. And then I can start the process over and make sure I go down to math, because as a junior, we do want you guys to sign up for a math class. So click in math department, search course. You see all the math options come up. If I turn in my commitment form for AP and I want to take AP calculus, I will select both of those courses. Since it's two present, for one for first semester, the other for second, click those courses, go back up here to click here to move to selected course requests. And now those courses will appear. And once again, my total number of credits have changed. Also, juniors, you will need to sign up for a science course and also a elective or alternative science course. So if I go to the science department, search course, go to department, say I want to request chemistry, I will request chemistry, make sure I request both sections for the full year. And for my alternative course, I want, let's say, physics. I will go here to the alternative button, alternative as my second choice, and then move those courses up to my course request. So notice that chemistry, since it's a requested course and I want that course first, it will pop up here in this portion of the screen. And then physics will move down to an alternative course request. So that is the difference. So if you want it as an alternative second choice, make sure you put it down below. You can add as many alternative courses as you want, but you need to have at least a minimum of 2. And then if I want to go to grab maybe a fine arts class, if I want to do stage combat, the course ends in a 9. So that means there's only going to be one option there. So I'm going to push request. I don't need to find a second class because it ends with a 9. But if I want to stage combat and also concert band is a 1 and a 2. So I got to make sure I select both courses and then move it up. And if you notice, my total courses is 7. Total credits is 7. So my process is done. I have my commitment form for AP calculus already signed and ready to go. So I'm going to go see my counselor or one of the vice principals or principals and have them take my iPad to them and have them submit the code for me and lock my courses in. And then the process is complete for forecasting for this year. So this video will be available online. So if you need any questions answered, please visit the website or also visit me for any other questions. If you try to lock it without the password, that's the message you're going to get. So please make sure you see either the counselor or the administration staff. Thank you.